Welcome, YouTubers. Hopefully you're having a good day. This is how to remove the center console to repair the cup holder. So I have one of these things right here, plastic things. You can order them on eBay, pretty cheap. Basically you want to squeeze right here. You got 4 tabs, 2 here and 2 in the front. So grab, stick your thing in there and pop it up this way. There we go. Flip it around. Just remove it. Sorry. Do another video. Turn it sideways. Move it up to there. You got two screws here, Phillips screws. 2 Phillips screws here, and you got 2 12 millimeters there to remove. And then you got a little thing here that you remove right here. Pop it out, because you'll need to remove this wire. You'll need to remove this wire right here. There's a little tab right here. Press down and pull out, and then you can remove the center console. It comes out. Okay. I'm gonna put it back in reverse. Sideways. Remember, you got 4 tabs. 2 here, 2 in the front, 2 in the back. Sideways. Turn it over carefully so you don't scratch your front. Put it in, place in. You want to start with the front. And then push down, and then the back. There you got it. Put this piece back. Pretty simple. There you have it. Part 2 of this series is repairing the cup holder. What I did is I drilled 2 1/8 holes. Again, as a recap, if you can find smaller screws, that's even better, so you don't have to make a bigger hole. But in my case, I only had these 2 screws that I use. 1/8. What you want to do is start off with the smallest you can, and then work your way to a bigger hole, so you don't end up cracking your cup holder. Okay. So anyhow, I went with these. It was 1/8 drill bit, screwed it in there, took out the spring and the little mechanism in there. So now it works manually. It won't open like it did spring action like it did originally. So you push it out manually, push the cup holders out, and it'll hold your cup. There we go. Close it manually, close, and it's done. There you have it, folks. Subscribe, smash up them likes, and hopefully this helps you repair your cup holder. Have a good day.